Hi, this is Charlene and welcome to the Diva Bar. Today I'm going to tell you about the 3 different kits that you have access to when you sign up to build your own business as a SeneGence distributor. After you pay your $55 sign-up fee to become a SeneGence distributor, you have access to 3 different kits to help you immediately build your business. So I want to show you what's in all of them so that you can make a decision about what's best for you. Now this kit is the 1000 PV Fast Start Kit. It's the largest kit that SeneGence offers to help you build your business, and I'm going to show you everything that's inside because it's amazing. This shows up in 3 big boxes that come to your house, and you have options about some of the things that you'll pick when it shows up, and that's really exciting too. So let me show you what's inside the box. The first thing that you're going to get is your 1000 PV order, and that's everything that's on this side of the table. So while different color substitutions and things may occur, you're going to get the same amount of product. So here's what showed up in mine. So I got 5 different foundations, some of the advanced anti-aging and some of the original. I got tinted moisturizer. I also got a lot of the solutions products. So things like the Nangai Oil Collagen Night Pack, the Hydrating Serum Mist, Silk, and Cineserum C. I also got 2 different skincare sets. This is the normal to dry and this is the normal to oily. I also got eye cream and eye illuminator, and then there's a facial resurfacer tucked right in there, which is amazing. You also get the Fuchs cosmetic removing wipes. I have a powder, a lip scrub, a concealer, a lip volumizer, and then in the front here you can see I've got 5 different eyeshadows, which are beautiful. And then I have Oops Remover, lip scents to sell, and then also glosses to sell as well. So that's a 1000 PV order. Now, if you were to order 1000 PV by itself, you would get all those products and you would get your 50% discount, which is great. But if you order the 1000 PV starter kit, you're going to get so much more. So let me show you what else you can get. So you also get the Glamour Demo Kit from SeneGence if you order this kit. And that comes in this beautiful trademark blue crocodile SeneGence makeup case that has this beautiful fold-out tray on the inside that you can put all of your testers into. And this kit gives you a lot of products and a lot of testers so that you can immediately start sharing your business with your friends and your family and your customers. So inside that kit, which comes in this beautiful box right here, you're going to get this training package. And let me just show you a little bit of this. There's so much inside. It's got a one of our brand new CineBlends books, which is beautiful. You have receipts for customers so they can make purchases. You have our Acclaim magazine. You've got a distributor handbook that tells you everything you need to know about having a Glamour demo, and some tester labels as well, and our Acclaim magazine, which is just awesome. So all of that is right there inside this fantastic folder that comes too. So you also get, as I mentioned, a whole lot of testers. And in those testers, we have all of these different lips and shades and really convenient tester sizes, super easy to put into your purse and carry with you wherever you go, along with some extra glosses. We have Fuchs makeup remover. So if you want to do a foundation match with a customer, you can use that to help them take off their makeup. And then we have all of these different foundation testers, both in the, there's some colors in the original foundation and some colors in the advanced anti-aging foundation. And between those foundations, you're going to be able to color match just about anybody. So that's in there too. In that same Glamour Demo Kit, you also have a set of concealers in different colors, as well as some of our blushes. You also have some brow scents, which is our liquid brow liner, a mascara, and even more eyeshadow. And then we also have some lip liner, our liner scents, and some eye scents, which is our liquid eyeliner that we have with SeneGence as well. And there's more, it just keeps going. There are also sample packets of each of our different skincare sets that you could give to someone to demo so that they can try the skincare. It's great, especially if you have to mail it to someone. And then also some sample gloss packets so that people can try matte gloss or the glossy gloss. And then there are makeup cosmetic wedges there. There are little applicator pads to help clean lips before lip sense application. And then we have all these different applicators. In the corner, there's some lip liner applicators for showing people how to do the lining first, lip sense applicators, and then a package of gloss applicators as well. And in the bottom of the Glamour Demo Kit is a whole package of beauty books. You can immediately start sharing those with your friends and your family and your customers as you demo products to be able to give them catalogs and also to help them place their orders. So that's fantastic. So all of that is in the Glamour Demo Kit. That's the second part of the Fast Start Kit. Now, You think, oh, maybe that's it. No, it's not. Because guess what? When you place a 1,000 PV order with SeneGence within your first 30 days of being in business, that qualifies you for the first Fast Start. And the Fast Start program rewards ordering and helps you build your business by giving you additional inventory for free when you hit certain benchmarks. That first benchmark is the 1,000 PV in the first 30 days. But here's the thing. If you order this Fast Start kit in the beginning with the 1,000 PV Fast Start kit, they send you that 30-day Fast Start automatically with your order. So the third box that you get is this, and it has all the Fast Start products. It's $350 worth of product for free that you get because you hit the 1,000 PV threshold within your first 30 days of being in business. And in that Fast Start kit, the first one, you're getting body wash, body scrub, body lotion, another skincare set, another eye cream, hand cream, this cute little poof, and the perfume. So, oh my gosh, those are products that you can turn around and use as testers. You can use them for yourself, or you can sell them immediately and have 100% profit on the purchase price of those products, which is awesome because you got it for free. And then if you hit the second and third benchmarks for the 2,000 PV by your 60 days and 3,000 PV by your 90 days, then you're going to get $400 of product for the second one and $450 of product for that third one. So you have the opportunity to earn even more product, which is amazing. So all of this comes together and your congratulations card for hitting the Fast Start when you order the 1,000 PV kit. But guess what? Still not all. Here's the other thing. You get this amazing, this is brand new, this beautiful business planning calendar, which is so great. It breaks it down month by month. It helps you figure out your why, as far as why you're in business, and it teaches you how to book demos and have conversations and share the business with your friends and your family as you build your customer base. And it has monthly planning for you throughout all of our seminar year, which is fantastic. And you also, with this kit, get 12 months of the SeneSite and the SeneBiz app. The SeneSite is your business website that allows customers to go directly to your website to order product from you. And the SeneBiz app is full of amazing videos and tips and files that you can send to customers or use in your own social media while you're sharing your business and sharing the products that you love. So it's fantastic. So all of these things, we are talking $3,500 worth of products and apps and business building tools to help you launch your business. And it comes with that 1,000 PV order, and the whole thing is $1,195. And again, that might seem like a lot initially, but when you think about all of this that you get, which is product that you can use as testers, product that you can turn around and immediately sell, you can recoup that money. And again, you're getting $3,500 worth of product for $1,195, which is fantastic. So if you want to just immediately jump in and launch your business and have as much as you need to really get out and start hosting parties and get started, this is the kit for you. And it is fantastic. You will love it. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me and let me know. If you're ready to sign up and order this kit, you just go to SeneGence.com. You can look up my distributor number, which is 169167. Sign up with your information. I would love to have you on my team and train you and help you build your business. I've been doing this for 5 years and I have loved every single minute of it. And these kits are the next level of where SeneGence is going with their business. So I would love to help support you and build your business, and you can get in and order your kit. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So happy to welcome you to the Kisses Girls. Thanks for visiting the Diva Bar today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.